A tincture is an alcoholic or a glycerin-based, a solvent-based extraction of a herbal product. So that solvent can be alcohol, that solvent can be glycerin. Alcohol and glycerin traditionally has been used in making tinctures because they're the best solvent. Water is a really good solvent. If you think about it, some tincture are just like are 100% pure water-based tinctures in the sense that you can use a 1 to 5 extraction of a herb in a water standpoint. But generally speaking, tinctures have an additional solvent in there. They have either glycerin, which is a type of alcohol, or ethanol, which is the type of alcohol that's consumable as a way of extracting, but also delivering, suspending the active ingredients to get it better into the system.
Yeah.
On top of that?
So another question that we get is like, how is your tincture different than other tinctures? I mean, pine pollen is such an amazing thing. It's got polysaccharides, which are sugars, complex sugars. They require a little bit of heat for extraction. It's got phytoandrogens, which are fat soluble, so they dissolve really well in alcohol. And then it's got these other plant hormones called auxins that come out in glycerin, and they have growth hormone like attributes in the human body. So our tincture is unique. It's unique in the sense that the process is designed to capture everything and anything that the pollen has. So our tincture goes through a first 1 to 3 ratio extraction in high alcohol concentration in order to pull out the phytoandrogen. Then it goes through a glycerin extraction to 1 to 3 glycerin extraction in order to get the auxins, the plant's hormones, and that process is always a heated process in order to be able to break down the complex sugars and get that. So our tincture captures all the profile of the nutrients that is in the pollen because of our 2-step proprietary and alcohol heats glycerol extraction process.
And the glycerin really gives it a nice, like, little palatable kick at the end, right?
Warm
like,
and sweet
it's
kick,
got a little bit of a little sweeter kick at the end. So I mean, it makes it a lot more palatable, which is nice. But yeah, I mean, again, we just get tremendous amounts of testimonials based on, when they compare our tincture to other tinctures they've tried. They've always noticed, you need less of it to get the same results, which is.
Yeah, the polysaccharides, you definitely need heat. So any tincture process that you see that's not heated and they're extracting pine pollen, they're leaving some of these complex sugars behind that are immune stimulating and energy boosting that otherwise you wouldn't get.